187, 674 Ben McGregor, I said a little while ago, 112 Kieran Rowe. Then we've got 317 Ben Saunders. Number 2, Albert Webster, Mustang Machine, that one. 449 back in green, 299 Harvey Rhodes, 252 Callum Sell, 842 in Essex there. That's Peter Ivings. With 421 James Connor, 311 Jack Simmons starting right back. I believe, I don't know why. Tom Redtop's driving nowadays, Jack Simmons, yeah. So, Eddie Captain's got the way down. I think we've got a couple of cars actually from earlier on. But at the moment it is 156, stretching his legs a little bit now. Young Finn Wells making his way round underneath commentary now and starting to get faster and faster. That young driver. There we go, making his way around the big zone. Ben McGregor in 674, second coming up behind, or alongside Ben now. It is those superstar drivers for the back of the grid with number 2, Albert Webster, leading that particular group of cars through the field and underneath commentary to take the lead. Well done to him. 299 Harvey Rhodes up through the group there. Then we've got 252 Callum Sell, previous winner, with 421 James Connor, another previous winner. So, a couple of winners there amongst his first 4. Then 156 Finn Wells. Oh! Bit of a coming together. I think that's Bradley Green and Ben McGregor there. Just locking wheels. So, open wheel racing now. Yep, good Bradley Green. So 5 laps to go, I believe. 5 laps to go this time round. Here comes your leaders now. Oh, look at that. Fantastic stuff. 421. Trying to switch to the inside, but not quite making it. So he's number 2 out on Webster. Holding on to that lead, doing a great job there. Making 252 and 421 for all the work. But then they come and number 2 out on Webster, shaking off 252 and pass. So a good bit of driving from Albert Warwick and his feet. Bradley Green being shutting around a little bit from the passing cars there. But it is 252 in second now, but he's your leader. Number 2 Albert Webster. From 252 Callum Sell, 421 James Connor, 299 Harvey Rhodes. So then we come back to 842 Keaton Ivings there. Then 156 Finn Wells. 2 left to go over the leaders. We've got 674 Ben McGregor. Oh, that was quite a nasty one now for that was Finn Wells. I've got a feeling he's done a bit of damage to the front of that car. I do hope he's okay, he looks okay. So a little bit of damage on that car. I think it's going to be checked out. And well done to him for realising that and pulling off. So I think he's being checked over there. And then just going to make sure it's quite an impact actually. So check the flag time now as the cars come round for the last time. There's a lot going on there. It is 252 Callum Sell to get a second win on the evening and a good win in the final as well. So we'll give you the full result on that one, and 156 Finn seems to be okay in that car. It was quite an impact. But McGregor in a bit of trouble in the 674, not managing to finish that one. Bit of a shame.